a sphere of radius capital R is 2r by root 3. Find the maximum volume. So this is the sphere given to us, and this is the cylinder inside it. This is a cylinder. So this is the center. So this is capital R given to you. This is h by 2 and this is small r. Using the Pythagoras theorem, capital R square is equal to h square by 4 plus r square. Now what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Because we have to bring into standard form. What is r square? Capital R square minus h square by 4 into h. This is equal to v of h. Now v dash h. V dash h will give you pi r square. Derivative of h is 1 minus pi by 4. Derivative of h cube is 3h square. So we get v dash h is equal to 0. Condition for maxima minima. We get capital R square is equal to 3 by 4 h square, or h is equal to 2 by root 3 capital R. Similarly, we want the small r. Small r square is equal to capital R square minus h square by 4. Okay, so this will give you capital R square minus h square is nothing but 4 by 3 into r square by 4, which will give you r square minus r square by 3, which gives you 2 by 3 capital R square is equal to small r. So small r is equal to under root of 2 by 3 capital R. So we know this value h. We know the value of r. So we substitute the volume formula. V is equal to pi. R square will give you 2 by 3 capital R square, and this will height will give you 2 by root 3 capital R. This can be written as 4 by 3 capital pi r cube into 1 by root 3. So this is nothing but volume of a sphere into 1 by root 3 is equal to volume of cylinder. So ratio of volume of cylinder to volume of sphere will be 1 by root 3, a very important result. So it means when you, from the given sphere, if you form a cylinder, the volume will be 1 by root 3 times of volume of a sphere.